Good day. Today we are going to discuss about systems of an operating system. In that particular one, we are going to discuss about compiler basic functions. The content are objectives, introduction to compiler and grammar. Various stages of compilation process. There is lexical analysis, syntactic analysis, and code generation. Then the main objective of this video is to understand the functions and the purpose of the compiler and various stages involved in compilation process. So this is to understand this thing is the main purpose of this video. Then what is compiler? Compiler is a normally is a system software that translates the code written in high level language into the machine code. This is the main purpose of the compiler, and it ensures the execution of the program in a particular computer. This is the main purpose of the compiler. This is the sample Pascal program. This is in earlier days. This was the high-level programming language. In this one, they are declaring the variables and they are assigning some variables. The main purpose of this program is to calculate the sum of values and sum of square value of a particular range. This is the this program is for this purpose. So usually any high-level programming languages which is described in terms of grammar. So the grammar it describes the syntax of a particular programming language. Let's have a look at this one. Assignment statement. Here the variable name and assignment operator and expression. Here the variable name is sum, the assignment operator that is equal, and the expression is sum plus value. This is the expressions. So in that one, there is a one word that is called tokens. Usually, token is a building block of any programming language is called tokens. So usually, for example, for the tokens, variables, keywords, any arithmetic operators, all these things are example for the tokens. Then, any formal description of the syntax, it is defined by grammar. So it does not include the meaning of that particular statement, rather than it recognizes the tokens. Then consider the example I equal to j plus k and x equal to y plus I. Here the x and y are real variables, I, j, k are integer variables. So when we look the both examples look identical, but the first one is for integer arithmetic and the second one is for real value. There is the floating point arithmetic operations. Even though when they are looking both are identical, but they are compiling different sequence. This is the full set of grammar which is used for the previous Pascal program. In that particular one, if you look at this particular statement, there is read, that is equal to read, there is the ID list. So, any grammar can be represented by various ways. Here we are using Backus norm form. This is simply they are called it as DNF notations. So, have a look at this one here. The read, that is equal to read ID list. Here, the syntax being defined, there is the read. Usually they are tokens. The symbol is defined to be. Usually in the Yegor grammar, there are two types of symbols are used. One is terminal symbol and another one is non-terminal symbols. Terminal symbols usually written in capital letters and usually they are tokens, especially they are keywords. Here, read, open bracket and close bracket, all these things are terminal symbols. When non-terminal symbols is a collection of strings that are enclosed in angle bracket. For example, read, that is everything written in small letter, ID list. These are the example for non-terminal symbols. Usually, other than the BNF form, the grammar can be represented using a syntax tree or parse tree. This is the example for parse tree for the read statement. Next, these are the various stages of compilation process. Usually, there are three stages in compilation process. The first one is lexical analysis, second one is syntactic analysis, and third one is object code generation. In lexical analysis, usually it is accomplished by the part of compiler routine, that is the scanner. The generally lexical analysis is also called as scanning process. Here, all the tokens are recognized by the scanner. This is the main function of the lexical analysis. The next step is syntactic analysis. Here, syntactic analysis in the sense to know the meaning of that particular statement or by means of grammar. It is accomplished by parser. Syntactic analysis is also called parsing. Here, all the language constructs are identified. Like this is the assignment statement, this is declaration statement and so on so. So based on the meaning, the statements or the language constructs are identified. Then the third one is object code generation. The object code generation, the name itself implies usually from the high level language, the machine understanding code, this the machine code is produced or generated. This is the third stage of compilation process. Here, part 1 conclusion for the part 1. Here we talk about the what is compiler, what is grammar, and we understand the basic strategy of compilation process. In upcoming parts, we will discuss about the detail about lexical analysis and then syntactic analysis and code generation in data. This is the reference to system software and introduction to system software programming by Ellen Clark. Thank you.